Just expect a bag of madness, you know. Expect me to take out my head and dash it away, you know. Yeah, so me I say, a bag of sitting. What's like how me I go? No, it's alright.
Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Yo, great news to everyone, great news to everyone. What we've been waiting for. I know I've been waiting for this for a very long time.
Don't show it all away. It might have fuck up, but don't give up on me.
Alkaline, we no tell you winter album, no. The last year winter, March 28th, we no see no little preview of what we are looking for the tracks, then we are going to dip on the album. Alkaline, wow, go on.
Yo, you see March 21st? Barclays now good again. We outside, man. Tell them, no, man. Whole Vendetta clan outside, man. I want to know.
Make your girl get wild, something where we do all the while. New patient, talk to my file. Spot me out from my mind and share what forget that me. I ain't know my style, and I go far for the smile. No man, I need to this. Girl, see my pass and I will chose the dates. Then we do anything to we and I just show her away. Hey, I didn't have a time for you, she wait. My girl, now I shut her up, she come through the age. She sick for me, now left. I tell me,
I might get mad and be tight about this, but I listen to more Alkaline than I do Vibes Cartel.
Ole male, ole male, ole male. I got a bone to pick with the girls. Why you ain't tell me Alkaline was coming to New York? I don't see it trending nowhere. I seen like one creator speak about Alkaline coming to New York, and that's how I knew. I had to go to my boy page to make sure it was true. Anyways, who coming with me to the Alkaline concert? So say you fuck with that family, just remember me. Yeah, I'm going.
On March 21st, the place to be is none other than Brooklyn Barclays Center, and who will be performing live? The man himself, Alkaline, viewers and subscribers, and he will be headlining his first sold-out arena show in the Barclays Center, viewers and subscribers. So if you guys haven't got your ticket yet, please make sure to get on a ticket from now, because the show you look like it I got get a whole heap, a massive turnout, viewers and subscribers. You know March in a springtime, so all of the youngins them, all of the Gen Z them are go out and about to enjoy the night. Which night? March 21st, viewers and subscribers. Next month, a month away from now, people. So if you not get on a ticket already, make sure so you get on a ticket. Boy, this is a history in the making, viewers and subscribers. You know Alkaline has its annual new rules where keep every year and then bring it right across the world, from the UK to Jamaica to the US to Canada, all over, viewers and subscribers. The next stop is New York Barclays Center, viewers and subscribers. But we also heard that Alkaline will be having other new rules in Africa and also in Japan and China. Viewers and subscribers who want to see how it go look. But people, the place where everybody are get ready for, the place where everybody are anticipate is March 21st, next month, viewers and subscribers. Jaja got a whole heap of things me see a post on the social media with people I sing Alkaline song. I say them can't wait for the day March 21st when the new rule show keep. Jaja got me out and about to, I buy my ticket and ready for the show. But people, ticket them a sell, the ticket them a sell. All the haters them will see out and talk about ticket now sell. We see say the ticket them a move wicked for the past few days. Almost the whole of the front section gets scrape up, people. So yeah, that it is something to see, viewers and subscribers. So make sure so when you get on the ticket, Alkaline I go out and about. But me I go play some clippings with the show with some of Alkaline's performances, one over UK and also in the Barclays Center, viewers and subscribers. As me say, new rules now go normal. A history we are going to create out here. Alkaline is going to be the youngest of his generation to ever sold out his first arena show in the United States, viewers and subscribers. Isn't that something good to see? For his fans, whole-time fans, them are going to turn out in support of him, viewers and subscribers, them are forward out to make sure say Alkaline get a great turnout, and also so that them can get the experience of them live, viewers and subscribers. But I will be playing some clippings in other vlog here, so make sure say like and comment and share on the thoughts and make me know if you buy on the ticket or if you go turn up for the show. Make sure say if you go the show, make sure say you plan from early and don't plan last minute. As I say, get on the ticket, don't wait till last minute. Who want to get parking, make sure so you buy in a parking spot. Who want to take Uber, yeah, make sure so you stay safe same way. But viewers and subscribers, check out some of them clippings here.
Just expect a bag of madness, Expect me to take out my head and dash it away, Yeah, so me I say, a bag of sitting. What's like come here go? No, it's alright. Just
it's gonna be easy. Are you ready for the man himself? Are you ready for the man himself? Are you ready for the champion boy? Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, let's go! Load. What the bad boy them there? Somebody say one in the bed. One in the bed, He got the formula. Him on the city. Can I tell you? Live. Himself. Let's welcome on stage. Alan Barclays. Let's welcome Alkaline.
Yo, I'm a vendetta fans them there. Yeah. Push. The Marcos Mumen stale na sukari ya Takasmo. One bag of gold medal fan winner. Champion boy know the damn thing go. Man up for the machine and center. New rules, you ready now? One shall have the goddamn boy. That's why everybody is the champion boy. Rich girl in the Hampton boy. The bush never made it as the champion boy. Now man I do my Samsung boy. Like every week me and the goddamn boy. Yeah, yo. What my fans them there? Signal! I'm born and I'm born of people, I'm in a deal of need a money counting and get a knife. Sometimes we can't get this life up. The masses are really too much every time when them see me in the life. Just I just see them spend an hour on the phone and give me dinner. Who is someone that you can never talk to? Calm it down. Hold on. Calm it down. Walk on new rules. I want the Babylon lock me down and feel like that to that slow me down. All you know say I get a fight, but one man can't stop the signal. You hear me? But you know, only pussy them. We still have the money and we still have those who want bag. Only pussy them. Them think we pop down, but we just a pop style.
Watch out, I'm going to pull up no matter me and bad will it be there. You know what them want to know? Signal, how me do it. Them I wonder how me do it. The rockets are starting into it. Wonder how me. Yo, calm it down.
So I see the girls is really trying to be outside that Alkaline concert. I'm really thinking, and tell me if y'all down. If y'all down, I'll put it together. I'm thinking to make a field trip to the concert. I'm thinking the girls connect on WhatsApp, create a group chat, buy our tickets, throw our seats in there. You know, either we pregame before the concert together or we hang out after the concert. But me, I'm 32. I can't really hang out that long. We might have to do something before the concert and get a little lit, you know, so I'm 32, but sometimes my body be like, bitch, you might be 52 and don't know it. So I don't know if I could do the after, but maybe we could do something before. We could call it the Alkaline field trip with Des, of course. And we all realistically not going to be able to sit together, but we can hang out before, you know, vibe it out. And we need to tag Alkaline and fuck it. He need to take a picture with us. He needs to take a picture with the school, with the field trip girls. I like that idea. If y'all down, let me know if y'all down. Let's make this shit shake. And then we're going to tag Alkaline and tell him he got to at least give us a picture. Because we come to support him with love. I like that idea. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. If y'all fucking with it, I'm gonna start the WhatsApp group by the end of the week. Give me some time, a bitch be busy. But if y'all not fucking with it, it's okay too. Regardless, I'm still going.
Alright, hear me out now. Me have a problem with Alkaline. And me have to address this. Alkaline, me have to address the problem with me have with you now. Some news just come from the Barclays show last night, right? And me realize, say, Alkaline can run dancehall, but the man don't want to. The man did already tell you, say, man don't want to be the man. Man just want to be great. But sometimes I just wish Alkaline to just stop it and just shame some people, dog. Because Alkaline can do it effortlessly, bro. Effortlessly. Mr. Even last night at the Alkaline show, because I could have never nobody else show, Mr. Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer, step out in a Rodney voice. Mr. when he step out, Mr. everybody has step out too. Me I say no, sir, like the people that are going to perform something else. Me I wonder if, and I asked the party did I keep when Mr. Bounty Killer step out. Put for that joke aside. Rodney, you can't want to come this Earl and Bartley. And then you want to come perform an Alkaline show. Now, sir, people have not depend that. Remember, when you think I Rodney fans, them full Barclays, it's the vendetta people that back up in that, you know? Including me, you know? So me I tell you from now, Mr. Rodney Price, they should have performed a such man show the day before. Maybe people them would have...
Yeah, I might get mad and be tight about this, but I listen to more Alkaline than I do Vibes Cartel. Yo, I know y'all might try to drag me for that, Laquan. Y'all might try to drag me for that, but me no business. Argue with your mama. No, argue with me.
Okay, so, guys, Alkaline is approaching. It is in about 4 hours. What is everyone wearing? What's the dress code? What type of vibe are we all going for? Wagwan. What's going on? Are we doing casual? Are we doing sexy? Or are we doing a bit of both?
Watch where song on the rhythm. Yo, or, yo, bitch, yo, dash shit. You notice how Alkaline's not on this rhythm? Because he's not a follower. Fuck you know your throat all night. Good at what you do. I really love you and you really...
Ole male, ole male, ole male. Pum pum left your panty, ole male, ole male.
Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Yo, great news to everyone, yo. Great news to everyone. What we've been waiting for. I know I've been waiting for this for a very long time, and my dream is finally coming true, yo. The last time Alkaline was at Barclays, y'all know he was there for a whole bunch of artists and a whole bunch of drama, and I say I wasn't going, yo. I keep up my word. I say I wasn't going. I say the next time I enter Barclays is to see Alkaline and Alkaline alone. When Alkaline is the headliner, when Alkaline is the one who is his show, that's when I'm going to enter Barclays. Now, guys, my dream has come true. My words has come true, yo. So you know when I talk, I'm not bluffing. I'm speaking the truth. I'm speaking the fact. When I say something's going to happen, it's going to happen. And it's happened, yo. It's happened. It's official. Alkaline is going to perform at Barclays March 31st, yo. I think the tickets are already available, so you can go ahead and check out the tickets. I haven't even gone to check out the tickets yet because I am in shock that, yo, my dream is finally come true. I will finally see Alkaline. I know if I see Alkaline, for sure it's going to be up front. Right there. Look, Alkaline, look the stage, look me, for sure. But yo, I am so excited, yo. This is what I've been talking about. This is what I meant when I want to see an Alkaline show. I want to see a show. So, guys, it's here. The time is finally here. Alkaline at Barclays. New Rules is in Brooklyn, yo, in my backyard. 10 minutes away. Alkaline is by me. And I will not go. God spare my life. I don't know what next year may bring us yet, but Lord, please make me have life until the 31st. I want to see Alkaline and I want to enjoy the show, enjoy my time. Yes, guys, he's finally here.
Don't show it all away. It might have fucked up, but don't give up on me. Don't show it all away.
You know who sing that?
You know.
Alkaline.
Alkaline singing up?
Make your girl get wild, something where we do all the while. New patient, talk to my file. Spot me out from a mile and she won't forget that me. I ain't know my style, and I go far for the smile. No, man, I'm new to this. Girl, see my pattern, I will chose the dates. Them we do anything to way and I just show her rate. Hey, I didn't have a time for you, she wait. My go so now I shut her up, she I come through no age. She already.
From your body, and them can't stop you as long as you have lyrics and determination. No people like in the initial stages, like, oh, him tattoo me, I eat that man, we not give him no listen. You saw me I say, but over time, them get to realize, say, I am not an ophthalmologist by profession, neither am I an optician, but I'm a true entertainer. You saw me I say, and the true them start lit them ears drum. You saw me I say, so people are more accepting now. I try to mirror like my lifestyle. So me I say are the lifestyle of my friends, yeah, and just put it in the music because mundane realism is effective in conveying good messages to people. So me I say people like to feel like them believe in a way I say. So I just that my use to make the message come across.
And I don't wanna start it. Yeah, best to stop it.
Yo, you see March 21st? Barclays now good again. We outside, man. Tell them, no, man. Whole vendetta clan outside, man. Oh, I'm told you. March 21st, no good, dog. The amount of phone call me get. People from England are flying. Dogs them from Florida are flying. Bro, all over the place. Me dog them from Atlanta. Whole vendetta clan of that Brooklyn. Yo, March 21st. Barclays loud. That you know.
They don't know new rules. We show them so we broke down barriers and make new you can. Run, boy, yeah.
Shit.
You saw me I say? I wouldn't have to say what them I say neither.
Not dear.
Is it I say that I change and I don't like that? No. You can make everything go to waste of your these bad back. Oh. Have some sense to the me when you roll like that. No. Let me give it in and that. friend. Them not understand, they get to shoot them. Give me the words, give me the girl. Boy! So me not shoot them. Because many niggas are no friend.
Vendetta fans, March 21st will be a Vendetta holiday. So make sure so you come out and enjoy yourself. You have a good time. You know it's going to be mad. A history will create out here. So you make sure so you get on the ticket and make sure so you have on transportation. The people them from New Jersey, Connecticut, Philadelphia, Long Island, Queens. Make sure so you forward out for you have a good time. We're going to party with the man himself and enjoy ourselves. We're going to create history out here. All of my Vendetta fans them. You know it going on. A mad thing we're going to turn up and turn out. March 21st will be a Vendetta holiday. When it's all said and done on that day, March 21st, Alkaline and his fans will be the most talked about over all social media platform viewers and subscribers. So make sure so you come out, have a good time. And also be safe on the road. You know it go. We always drink and get nice, but make sure so you not drink responsible. And make sure so you not drink and drive. But viewers and subscribers, you know it going on. A Vibes and Inside with Nando. With another episode. A mad thing. I will catch you guys on another episode. Peace. I'm out.